Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So there's no straight option to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet, so for example your bank account. So first of all you will need to go ahead and transfer it somewhere else. So for example for today let's use Binance. I'm also going to leave a Binance link in the description below with a $100 bonus if you want to sign up. Now to cash out Solana, you can either click send or you can also choose Solana. So I'm just going to click send and choose Solana. After that, you will need to enter the name and or address here. So the address would be from, for example, Binance for today. So let's go to Binance now. Now you need to click deposit, choose Solana. So search for a coin, Solana. Now you want to choose a chain network. So it would be Solana network. Now here you will find your deposit address, which you want to go ahead and copy. After you have pasted it, click next and just choose how much of the Solana you want to go ahead and send. After that, your Solana should be on your Binance after some time, and then you can just cash out from Binance. Swap it to fiat money and cash out. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.